Hello everybody, this is Mr. Heeb, and in this video I'm going to show you online Python. Now online Python, you can get to it by just clicking on a link in Google Classroom or the assignment, or you can just go to any Google and type in online Python. So when you click on online Python, it'll be the first thing that pops up, online Python. And it already has some code in there. We could run it if we wanted to, but let's get rid of that code. And then we can start coding. So one thing that's good about online Python is a program that you can use on your Chromebook. You can use it on any internet browser. The downside about online Python is there's ads off to the left, ads off to the right. Every once in a while, a video will just start playing for no reason. And the biggest problem is you can't save anything. You can't save anything in the program. But so like if we wanted to print our hello world, probably should do it on line 1. Hello world. We're going to do exactly the same thing that we did in our previous video. To run the program, you just click on run down there, and it works just fine. We can, do the formulas. We can do everything that we can do, and just type it on top, hit run, and it will perform out on the bottom. Now, that's it. If we want to share the file, you don't have to upload it to Google Drive. This is the one positive thing about it, online Python. You just click share, tell them how long. You can do 6 months. Yeah, 6 months is probably fine. Six months is probably all you'll need this. And click share, and then it has a link. Copy that link, and now that link is what you put in your assignment and you put in your coding journal. So make sure you're using this link. If you use this link at the top, it will bring you back to that opening page of the program without your code. So in order to see your code, you have to click share, 6 months, share, and you can just copy it right there, and it's copied and ready to put wherever you need to put it. All right, now I want to see you guys write a simple Hello World program, share the links, and now if you're ever on your Chromebook, you have access to Python. All right, give it a shot.